Hey, my dear friends, welcome to my kitchen, and it's fall, y'all. Can you believe it? We're finally getting some relief from this extremely hot weather that we've had. And so I'm fixing to share with y'all, if you have drop-in company kind of unannounced and you want a little something to serve them in the way of an appetizer, this is a great, quick recipe. And I've got to share a little, I'm gonna try to make this story short. When we were filming, I think it was when we started the Paula Deen network. My son Bobby dressed up as me, and Paula. He came out as Paula. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
You were speechless, and it was the best thing I've ever seen.
I was speechless because it was all a surprise to me. I didn't know that Bobby had been in another room with the makeup artist, and I didn't know what to say, but Bobby did.
We'll make sure
He was at his funniest, and I think, y'all, that he was making a pumpkin pie dip. I told Bobby, I said, Bobby, that's the best work you've ever done, son, right there. He's amazing. When he puts on a costume, he actually becomes that person. So can we put a link where they can go see that?
Absolutely.
Because I tell you what, you'll wet your pants. You'll wet your pants laughing at it. So if I just start laughing during this recipe, y'all know it's because I'm thinking about my son.
In Riverbend.
In Riverbend.
You gotta love the way.
Riverbend, where I grew up. First 10 years of my life.
They have to watch the video to understand it.
Yes. All right, I've got a dish back here going that I am actually going to cut off. And now I'm going to get started on this pumpkin pie dip. And this actually is from a recipe from Cooking with Paula Deen magazine. And I probably don't share enough with y'all about my magazine. It is truly, when it says Cooking with Paula Deen, that's what it means. And it's full of wonderful, wonderful recipes, and it kind of lets you know what's going on in our charity part of the world. And but I think we're even doing an air fryer recipe now.
Every issue.
Every issue, yeah. And Jamie contributes a recipe, and Bobby contributes a recipe. And usually Bobby's is on the little lighter side, and Jamie's is usually full out. You know, that he makes for his boys.
This is big about family.
Yes, family. So check out the magazine. I think you would like it. I'm looking for a magazine
It's right
to
there.
show you.
Right there on the thing.
Okay. This is
That one's coming out on the stands.
oh,
Next.
is this a new one?
That one I just got in the mail, so
That's our
Oh.
November, December issue, so it will be coming out.
This is November, December issue. And yeah, it'll be out on the newsstands like
Soon.
in a little while.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, look at this apple wood.
Go back to being focused.
Oh, I got to looking at that, y'all, and I am really hungry right now, and my thoughts just stopped.
And they're stopping again.
The fluffiest pancake pie, the best barbecue, the most delicious. Oh, Sevierville, Tennessee. So, check out the magazine. All right, so back to the pumpkin pie dip. As Bobby said, pumpkin pie dip. All right, let me get my little spatula. Okay, so I've got one 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Well, let's see, I better do this step first. And I've got 1 cup of confectionate sugar. I really don't think it much matters how you do it because it's just put it in the bowl and go with it. So 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, We're just gonna cream that. Turn it up a little bit. Whoa! Stay in there. I am so hungry I could about eat this bowl, y'all. Teresa, are you and Eddie hungry? Have y'all eaten? Oh, those apples are so good. I love the lady apples. Love, love, love.
And it's apple season, so they're
Oh.
it's about to get good.
Oh, Teresa, I remember when I was filming upstate in New York, I did a show that I got to go to an apple orchard. It was so beautiful. Row after row after row.
And different varieties.
And different varieties, but I remember most of them were just red.
Yeah.
It was a sight to behold.
That was beautiful.
What a great gift that was, because this old Southern girl had never seen anything like that. And, you know, I know that they have these orchards and they let people come in and pick their own apples. I love it.
I have a friend that is from the South that is up in Maine right now. She's been taunting me with photos all weekend. And she was in the apple orchard and they had the hot apple cider donuts fresh right there. It was,
Had
That's torture
hot.
and not nice.
I know it. You tell her I said leave you alone.
Exactly.
Don't make you get homesick.
Because you're not going home.
So they were serving hot apple cider
donuts.
donuts.
Hot donuts, yes.
Yum.
Back to
All right, back to focus, Paula. Focus.
Well, Paula, one of the reasons why we're doing this recipe too is because Halloween's coming up.
That's exactly right.
And we have a lot of ideas for videos that we're going to be doing.
We do.
We do. You know,
Did y'all hear what Teresa said? Halloween is coming, and we've got some surprises up our sleeve, right?
you always have surprises when it comes
I
to
don't know. So anyway, I just added a half cup of sour cream, y'all. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon. I think it's a teaspoon of each of these.
Yes, ma'am.
If I can find the recipe now.
It is. It's 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
1 teaspoon.
Okay, well then I'm just going to go with it. This is 1 teaspoon of ginger. Ooh, that won't fit in that hole. I'm going to have to go with 2 halves. All right, half 1, half 2. That's how they taught me to count 5s at the bank. Half 1, half 2, half 3, half 4. Isn't that fun? All right, this is pumpkin pie spice mix. A teaspoon of that. And then finally a teaspoon of cinnamon. So half 1, half 2. Mix, mix, mix. Gosh, I can hear him right now. Mix, mix, mix. Oh my gosh, my boys. I love them to pieces. Both of them have got wicked, wicked personalities. And once they get on that, let's embarrass and humiliate mama, they are so good at it. But you know what? I can't get mad with them. They get me so tickled. So, tease me all you want to, boys. I can take it. I got broad shoulders. Oh my gosh. This just screams fall.
Well, it is fall.
Yes. Yes. And so there we go. Just that easy. Just that easy. And I found a real pretty fall dish in the dish pantry. So I'm going to put our dip right here. And this is fabulous with apples. Just like we were talking about. Teresa's down there eating an apple. You know what? I bet the babies would like this. And then we're serving ours with ginger snaps.
You know they'll love those.
Yes, there's one for you, Eddie.
Thank you.
And one for Fat Girl. Teresa, bring your apple over here.
I'm good. I'm good.
And get you a dip.
Believe me, I'll get some later.
That's really good, y'all. This is probably one of those things you'll want to just kind of keep in the back of your head for a quickie. I'll see y'all next time. Get in your kitchen and have fun. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.